Much to see here. Hardly even a red tree. But we're going to see some red bricks in a minute. We're just leaving Easthampton, Massachusetts. And you've got to see the huge old factories here. Some of them abandoned with the roofs collapsing, the slow, gently pitched roofs collapsing. And some of them are concrete, and the concrete's spalling off of them. And they've got all kinds of industrial wasteland behind this rickety fence. I'd just turn around and make a video of these huge old factories in Easthampton, right on the water. That's where the power came from, and that's where the navigation was to bring your goods uptown or downtown. Huge old factories, concrete factories, brick factories, collapsing factories, factories with bell towers, and 4 bricks thick. Industrial properties of Easthampton, Massachusetts, abandoned. There's more. Down the street here, you'll see in a minute. Easthampton Center. Taxis over there and monster factories into the sun in my dirty windows. Here's the offices, the American Legion. I bet you those were the offices for the big factories you're going to see in a second. Repurposed. Some of them have new windows, some of them have old windows. This was a big business 150 years ago when these factories were at their prime. There's water running on both sides of these buildings. Big chimney. Now all it's good for is smokestack mounting for the cell transmitters, the microwaves. Not much pitch in those roofs. Huge New England felting company. What is a felting company? I guess they make felt. Look at the size of this factory with huge floor-to-ceiling windows. On and on and on and on. There's parts of America that are known as the Bible Belt. This was known as the Industrial Belt.
Oh, what's this?
Western New England. Seen overhead views of some of these factories. National Non-Wovens Putnam plant. I've seen overhead views of these factories where they used to make cars and engines and gears and trains and ships and locomotives and all kinds of what have you. Concrete buildings, brick buildings, gangways on top of the road, waterways. No idea where we're going, but we're going. Repurposed over the years when someone discovered a better way to do something, or a cheaper way, or a faster way. Huge old buildings with a pathway, walkway, bikeway, trailway. 1, 2, 5 stories high, full of workers working their fingers to the bone. How many floors? Basement? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stories. 7-story factory. What did they make here at the Easthampton Industrial Works? Building on top of building on top of building on top of building, and not much pitch in those roofs. Didn't want to waste roof pitch. Imagine the business in making bricks and digging holes. We've got some waterway right there. All nicely paved with granite curbing. Factory after factory. Little windows in this one, big windows in the other one. One employer says, we don't need those stinking windows. The other one says, we need the biggest windows for natural light. Kept everybody busy. Making the bricks, digging the hole to put the building up. Wow. This is a 3-story building with super high ceilings converted to living space. You can tell because it's got blinds on the windows. Repurposed. Salon 180 East. Everybody's enjoying a good beer on this pumpkin festival harvest day. They got barbecue, farmer food, mothership gourmet with a noisy Honda generator. Yeah, his and hers. Wow, nice deck. Yeah, repurposed. Mill 180 entrance. Interesting entrance lamp, wouldn't you say? Yep. Smell that barbecue! Beam protruding from the roof to haul up those Steinway pianos or the boiler or who knows what's up there or down there. Granite foundation. Wasn't big enough, they had to build an extension on the back. These must have been the offices. Interesting. Uh-oh. The end of the road. I'm going to take a little shortcut here. We're going to go off-roading here. There we go. Put it in four-wheel Buick drive.
Careful.
Rails to trails. Tear up the train tracks and put in a recreational path. Back to the abandoned factory, right across from the mill pond. Abandoned. How's the roof doing on this one? Not too good. Concrete. Solid concrete building. Someone's pride and joy. Now I hear the water rushing right behind there. Stuff behind that steel corrugated fence, all kinds of dilapidated old buildings, all the mill workers' houses. And, well, that's it. The rest is just western Massachusetts, Easthampton, Northampton. Wow. Alrighty. Thanks for watching.